Hey folks, doing a review on this coil roofing nailer. I've had it since 2016. That's the specs right there. What you need. Pause the video. You put the nails in, you open this here and you lift up and you open this and you put in your coil of nails. Put your nails in, bring it down to until there's two little notches here, two little notches here, so the nail will fit right in there. Then you'll close it up, lift up, push down, and make sure it's closed. You got a feature right here which is single tap, double tap. That means you pull the trigger and once, whereas if you got it on the double, you hold the trigger and you just bump it, bump, 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 bump. You can put the exhaust wherever you want, right? Which is nice with this right here. You know, you can adjust so it goes farther in and farther out. I have to test it because when you're shingling, you don't want it to cut the shingle, but you also nice and tight. So I have my compressor on 125 psi, and I just adjust it with this here, because I find you do lose a bit of psi, because when you're roofing, you're usually running minimum 50 feet of holes. It's 3/4 to 1 3/4 nails. It won't fire unless this is depressed. I talked to a guy that has his own roofing company, and he had one of these, and he said he'd been using it for years. I can give you that information, whether it's exactly the same one. It looked exactly like the one I have. You know, if that's any consolation, it's that's what he said. You're just going to do your own shed or your house or whatever, and you don't want to use the hammer, which I'll be honest, takes longer, but doing it with the hammer and nails is, some people argue for or against it, but I find you're not going to get it every single time exact depth with this. It's not so bad if you take a hammer and just hammer it in, but sometimes it just drives it in. All right, thanks guys.